Hi, I'm Ray West. I sell diamond grinding discs and polishing pads and smoothing discs on sequoiapottery.com and Etsy Slickfoot Clay Tools. Just want to show you, have two versions of a water drip spigot. This is the simple one. It's basically, you just this is a gallon pitcher, like a relatively small plastic container. You drill a 7/8 inch hole or 1 inch hole, about half inch from the bottom, and you screw on this plastic spigot with silicone washers on both sides. You just push it right in there, and on the inside likewise. You just tighten it by hand. Pretty snug, but don't get too crazy. This works easier if you soak this in warm water for a couple of 5 seconds. But let's see if it works without it. Good enough. So you just put this in a convenient place where it will, the end of the nozzle will reach the middle of your grinding disc. Looks good enough. You put some water in it. And look at over here. You just want a barely little, tiny little stream or dripping. There you go. Perfect. And this is what is. This one is. I call this a water drip spigot, and I have a more elaborate version which you can just fill a 5-gallon bucket full of water, and you install the spigot the same way. But it comes with a long, like 3 or 4 foot long plastic tube. You can put it up out of the way, and you attach this little device to a 1/8 inch hole on the lip of your potter's wheel. And if you don't have a lip, you'll just have to figure out a way to attach it firmly. It doesn't have to be that firm, just so it doesn't move around. And this, you can tighten it up fairly firmly. Again, aim it to the center of the wheel, and you're good to go. That's basically it. Thanks for watching.